Morning everyone. I hope you are staying inside and keeping yourself healthy and fit. Today's thought of the day is, if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. But if you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. So class, it all depends on you how you shape your life, and I hope you all are completing your work and following all the instructions given by ma'am in the previous videos. So class, I, Megha, your maths teacher, welcomes you in today's maths class. We have done plane shapes revision and notebook work in previous class. Now today, let us revise solid shapes and complete the notebook work for the same. So let's start now. Unit 8, solid shapes, page number 117. So class, as you all know, we have done plane shapes in previous video and we are going to revise solid shapes today. First of all, we should know what are solid shapes, right? A solid figure or shape has more than one face. I have told you in previous video, one face means we can see that figure or picture or shape from one side only, right? We have studied that all the plane shape has one face. That means they can be seen from one side only, whereas a solid figure or shape has more than one face. That means we can see them from multiple sides. And what are the examples of solid shapes? Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere, etc. So class, let us quickly revise all the solid figures and do the notebook work as directed. Okay? So quickly take out your notebook, pencil box and be ready for the class. I am waiting for you. Quickly open your notebooks, put today's date, class work, unit, name of the unit and topic of the class today. Quickly. Done everyone? Okay. So, first of all, we will give a brief intro of solid shape. That is, a solid shape has more than one face. Now, first solid shape is of a cube, right? This is a cube. Quickly revise the properties of cube with me. A cube has 6 flat square faces. You can see here that a cube looks like a square, right? So we can also say it is made up of multiple squares and it has 6 flat square faces, means we can see it from 6 sides. Okay, quickly revise it with me. Face number 1, face number 2, face number 3, face number 4, face number 5 and face number 6. So we can also say that a cube has 6 flat square faces and we can see it from 6 sides. Okay, it has 12 straight edges. 12 straight edges means 12 straight lines or sides. So quickly count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many straight edges beta ji? 12, right? It has 8 vertices or corners. What is a vertex or what are vertices? Yes, where 2 edges meet, it forms a corner or a vertex. So quickly count the vertices in the cube with me. Vertex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how many vertices or corners beta ji? 8, right? Now move to the next figure. It is of a cuboid. Very nice. First of all, listen carefully. You all have to draw these shapes very carefully, very neatly, and you can also color them. Okay, but the figures should be very neat and clean, okay, and the color should be very light. Nobody will use the dark colors in your notebook, and also you are not allowed to use sketch pens in your notebook. So you can only underline the shape from sketch pen, okay. But don't use sketch pens to fill the shapes, right? You can use crayons, that too very light colors, okay, to fill these shapes. Now the next shape is cuboid. Very nice. It is of a cuboid. Quickly revise the properties of a cuboid with me. A cuboid has 6 flat faces. How many flat faces, beta ji? 6 flat faces. Quickly count the 6 flat faces with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many flat faces, beta ji? 6. How many flat faces? 6, right? Okay. Now it has 12 straight edges. Quickly count the straight edges with me. 12 straight edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and lastly 12. How many straight edges, beta ji? 12. That means it has 12 straight lines, right? Okay. Now it has 8 vertices or corners. How many vertices and corners, beta ji? 8. So quickly count the 8 vertices with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many vertices are here, beta ji? 8. How many vertices? 8. How many vertices? 8. Okay. You can see the properties of a cuboid and a cube are almost similar, right? But what is the difference between a cube and a cuboid? You can see the difference in their shape, right? 6 flat square faces, okay? And here we can see 4 rectangle faces and 2 square or rectangle faces, right? These 2 faces can be of square or rectangle, but these 4 faces are of rectangle. So the formation of both the shapes are different. That's why they are different from each other, right? But the properties of the cube and cuboid are almost similar. So it is very easy to revise and learn these properties. Okay, now move to the next figure, that is of a cylinder. Okay, that is of a cylinder. You have to draw the pictures very neatly, just like ma'am did in the PDF. Okay, and ma'am is explaining in the video. You have to do it with your pencil at home. Okay, try explaining yourself. It will help you learn all the properties and understand all the properties, right? So the next figure is cylinder. A cylinder has 2 circular flat faces. How many flat faces, beta ji? 2 circular. Circular means circle. ठीक है, जहाँ circle है. 1 flat face and second flat face. And 1 curved face. Curved means ये वाला, beta ji. This is the curved face, right? So how many faces? Total faces will be 3. Total faces will be 3. 2 circular and 1 curved. 2 circular and 1 curved, right? It has 2 curved edges. 2 curved edges. First one is this one. Pura curved edge है ये. Second one is this one. This one is also a curved edge, right? It has no vertices or corners. इसका कोई भी vertex या कोई भी corner नहीं है, because they are not meeting anywhere, right? These 2 circular curved edges are not meeting anywhere, right? So there will be no vertices or corners. Okay, now move to the next figure, that is a cone. A cone has 1 curved face and 1 circular flat face. 1 curved face and 1 circular flat face. Okay, 1 circular curved face and 1 circular flat face, right? It has 1 edge and 1 vertex. 1 edge means this one is the circular edge, is the 1 edge here, and the vertex here is this one. Okay, so it has one edge and one vertex, right? How many faces are here, Beta ji? A cone has two faces. That means this one, a flat face and a curved face. It has one edge, the circular edges, one edge and one vertex here. Okay. Now move to the last figure, that is of a sphere. Okay, that is of a sphere. You can see a sphere looks like just a circle, right? But what is the difference between a circle and a sphere? Yes, we can see a circle has also one face, but the face a circle has is a flat face, whereas a sphere has only one curved face. The difference between the two? A circle has only one flat face, whereas a sphere has only one curved face. Okay, Beta ji? Curved face. It has no edges and no vertices, just like a circle. It has no edges and no vertices. Okay, now we have completed solid shapes also. You have to do the solid shapes work in your notebook very beautifully. Right? Complete the work in your notebook and I will check your notebooks after the break. Now in the next class, we will do some practice questions of plane shapes and solid shapes. So be ready, be prepared and learn the properties of both plane shapes as well as solid shapes. Okay, do your work neatly and thank you. I hope you all have understood the plane shapes and solid shapes concept very deeply. Thank you. Have a nice day.